So you already know that processed food is bad for you, but did you know that the average granola bar still contains a host of artificial ingredients and preservatives? Watch this video to learn how you can make your own healthy homemade granola bars in just 3 easy steps. For the best plant-based recipes using locally sourced ingredients, be sure you click that like button. And if you are local to Berks County, you can clip out this recipe in today's edition of Berks Country. I'm Kate Murray, owner of Vogue Media, award-winning author, and for the last 7 years, plant-based recipe columnist at Berks Country. As a busy mom, I don't have a lot of time, and that's why I'm on a mission to share my best tips with you so that you and your family can lead a healthy lifestyle using locally sourced ingredients.
Let's get started. You'll need a half cup of dried cherries, which you can get from Sheila's Crunchy Delight. Find her at the West Reading and Shillington markets, as well as Brecknock Orchard and the Hay Creek snack stand. A half cup of chopped pistachios and 3 cups of rolled oats, which you can get at pounds and ounces at the Fairgrounds Farmers Market. 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of natural peanut butter, which I got at Shady Maple, 1 cup of pumpkin puree.
And the part that makes this recipe especially sweet is our local honey.
I'd like to give a shout out to Berks Bees. Check out their website at berksbees.com. And if you happen to need bees removed from your property, check out plumcreekbees.com based out of Birdsboro.
Let's talk about peanut butter for just a moment. This discussion is a really important one to have, especially with our kids going back to school. Now, if someone in your family is allergic to peanuts, you can substitute almond butter or any other nut butter in this recipe. But for simplicity's sake, I'm going to use peanut butter as our example. Most commercial peanut butters are made with very harmful hydrogenated oils. That means that the oil is heated to a temperature that releases toxins. Eating foods that contain too many hydrogenated oils can lead to cardiovascular disease.
You'll notice how both of these peanut butters contain harmful hydrogenated oils. The better choice is to go with this homemade peanut butter from Shady Maple. Or, if you're using a commercial brand, choose a natural brand that only contains 2 ingredients, peanuts and salt. You'll notice the oil at the top of this jar of natural peanut butter. That is perfectly normal. It's just the natural peanut oils. In the comments below, you'll find a link to a peanut butter mixer that you can buy on Amazon. Before mixing your ingredients together, toast the oats on a sheet pan in a 400-degree oven for about 6 minutes. Watch them carefully because they burn very quickly. Depending upon what kind of oven you have, they may toast faster or slower than average. Step 2. Combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and then press them into an 8.5 by 11 pan.
The inspiration for this recipe came from my family reunion just a few weeks ago, so I'd like to give a shout out to Fred Gentili for your amazing chocolate pistachio biscotti. Do you have a favorite healthy plant-based family recipe that you'd like to share? Tell me about it in the comments below, and you just might be featured in a future version of Berks Country.
They'll take about 20 to 30 minutes. Allow them to cool before cutting. And if you want something extra special, melt your favorite chocolate bar over a double broiler and drizzle before serving.
Now that you know how to make healthy homemade granola bars using locally sourced ingredients, make sure you smash that like button so we know that you want to see more videos just like this. And be sure to tune in next Wednesday when I bring you my most famous recipe ever. I promise your kids will not think that kale tastes like dirt. It's my oh so famous Strength and Green smoothie. Thanks for watching. See you next time.